In this video, I'm going to talk about the awesome power of dashboards, permissions, and how to use them for a multi-tenant environment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in to show you what's going on as an administrator. If I go to the admin tab and look at my users, I've got Mark and Mike here, and those are going to be used in my example today. So first of all, let's take a look at Mark. And group membership, Mark is a member of GAS. That's fantastic. Let's go look at Mike. Mike is also a member of GAS. That's exactly what we want. So I'm going to log out. I'm going to log in as, hey, Mike. All right, Mike. Mike's got a different theme color that he likes. And Mike has created some dashboards. You can see here that a star means read-only, so I can't manipulate it. So currently, I'm looking at the example Mike dashboard, which I created. And you can see I can move things around and do that. But you know what? Let's take a look at the read-only, so like cross-check. I don't have permission to see the gadgets in there. How about Mark's dash? So you can see that I can see Mark's dashboard, but I can't manipulate it. So that's really pretty neat that I've got this read-only and non-read-only capability. And then I have this ability to create dashboards. So I can, if I really like Mark's dashboard and I want to manipulate it, all I can do is make a copy of it, and then I can manipulate that. I can create a new dashboard, give it a name, and copy over the gadgets that I want, right? And it's read-only by default. So I could also search for a particular gadget that I absolutely have to have, and let's save it. So there it is, and I can manipulate it, move that down here, whoops, move that up here, make this really wide, and then maybe I want to put that over here and put this down. So at any rate, you have the general idea, and then I can give my dashboard to other users or a group of users. And what I did to show that example is others can change. So I created this dashboard called Others Can Change, so that if I share it, they can manipulate my dashboard, which you may or may not like. And basically what I did is right here, I unchecked read only. I could also make it my default dashboard. So others can change, and I can call it, others can change too if I want to rename it. So others can change and others can't change. Back to the gear menu, you can see it is read-only is checked off, so you cannot, others cannot manipulate it. Others can manipulate it because it's not checked off, right? So now what I want to do is I'm going to come up to the configuration. I'm going to go to users, and I'm going to select Mark because he's in my group, right? And we're both in guest. And I want to find those other dashboards. There they are, right there. And I'm going to give them to Mark. So there you go, Mark. You got my two dashboards. Log out. Log in as Mark. There we go. Mark's got yet another unique theme. And let's go to his menu. There we go. Mark's got my two dashboards. He looks at them and says, I really don't like that. He can manipulate it because I made it others can change, right? Right there, the read-only option was checked off. Now, it's my dashboard, so he can't manipulate that, but he can certainly even get rid of a gadget if he doesn't like it. Let's get rid of that. Mark's like, I do not like that in there. And this other dashboard, others can't change. Well, Mark doesn't like that he can't manipulate this, so he's going to go into his user dashboards, and he's going to find that dashboard, and he's going to get rid of it. He doesn't like it. So he's going to remove it from his menu. So now it's gone. So if I log in, log out as Mark, log back in as Mike, and you can see if I go to Others Can Change, the welcome gadget is gone because Mark removed it. Of course, it's in the log if the administrator needs to find out, hey, who changed it? So really, dashboards are pretty straightforward, very powerful. And if you have questions or you want to do something more with them or you want to, let's say, add custom gadgets or something like that, give us a call. We'll show you how to do it, and we'll make it easy for you. Thanks for watching.